So I've got the eBay SZ model. It's sc6000 with a weird hole through the jog wheel, and then I just realized, look at this thing, it's flipped. Seems like somebody got in there before, otherwise I don't see it happening by itself. There are also a couple things here. USB is destroyed, and yeah, some sloppy technician was there, I believe. The unit itself looks like pretty fresh. It wasn't used for a long time. No wear on the buttons. Looks like literally this part is like barely used whatsoever. The only jack is upside down. Obviously it was mounted awkward, even though you see it reacts on the touch. It doesn't react for the spin. There's no reaction whatsoever of the speed of the jog. You know, either something is not connected, or I don't know. It's 4.3 version software. It was 3.4, but I downgraded 4 points, and got to take it apart, I guess. It still reads the USB in the back. We'll see what can I do with it, if I can do something with it. That should be taken apart, and that thing should be addressed first, because that's all I don't care about the physical hole. Even looks ugly, but that can be done something with it later if fixed. Yeah, $600. Jog wheel with a hole, and apparently I don't know why they took it apart. Maybe just to lubricate or something. But the coating wheel is bent, so I assume the issue is. Try to fix it, see what happens. If you look at that scratch, kind of white looking scratch, what does it mean? What does it mean is somebody removed the jog for whatever reason is, and didn't install properly the sensor, and that scratch comes from improper install the sensor, and which create that scratch. There's a hope, but also there's concern. See how it warped is? Should be like kind of straight. I'll try to straighten it as much as I can, and hopefully the time code in some areas look like a little bit damaged, like right here. I hope it's not affected it, but if it does, I'll try to find a new one. I'm like 90% sure that's the issue in here. There's a part number, we'll try to source it. So after messing around and finding out, it finally kind of straight. If you look at it, that time code is straight now. So now I'll try to install the jog wheel, which still has a hole in there, and I'll put nice sticker on top of it if it works. But the time code is kind of repaired and straight. I don't see any warping, and supposedly gonna work. We'll find out soon. Also, I don't know what happened here, but the guy got angry or what. Its USB port is just destroyed. I have a tower that's going to scrapyard anyways. The back USB is not gonna work because it's tower from main board, but on the case itself, that USB might work. And after a couple screws removal, bam, exactly what I need, and I just will solder it out measure dimensions, and seems like it's gonna be perfect replacement for it. The hardest part is just to take this off, and I'll try that tool that I actually used once. It's called Sucker. I know it's called Sucker because it's really sucked to use it. It's something, a vacuum cleaner will be better, but not today. So older one is out and another one is out too. So that's the area where it's gonna be soldered back. It's all cleaned up. It just needs to be fitted soldered. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. So it's actually, look at this thing, 21/7/26. I'm wondering when the whole unit was made. 2020. Does that board, at least. I don't know where it comes from. Looks like from repair service or something. I don't know. But yeah, visually this unit is kind of new. There's no wear on the buttons, nothing. So new socket is replaced. I mean new to this board. Not really new, but kind of new. So let's put it together and test it. That's the first power up, and it's starting. So USB is repaired. Let's test it. It loads up, boots up, shows the drive, runs, and that USB port is repaired, and now its unit is actually fully repaired. That's it. All I used is just old board from my tower that I'm not using for like probably 10 years, so it was about to go to garbage, and it still had some use for me. Oh, it's officially repaired. I'm glad to see it. Now the biggest concern, what sticker I'm gonna put it on. When I bought this unit on the listing, that hole wasn't there. I guess the guy, whoever was working on it, got pissed off, cannot figure out stuff, and decided maybe a hole will help. Shout out to this guy. Otherwise I won't have opportunity to buy twice cheaper unit for that, and zero money involved. Get it fixed. So thank you, my man. Keep doing, keep working, and keep listing good items for me. Thank you. So that's the full repair of my SC6000. That's it. See you guys next time.